my name's Oliver Mitchell. I'm based in Kent, and I'm sourcing rent-to-rent and BRRs in the Kent area, and also sort of south coast as well. Yep, so I joined the academy in January. So a couple of months in now, which is really interesting, really great. You know, networking and everything like that's fantastic. So I think the main thing for me was I had a little bit of knowledge behind me, being an electrician and fire alarm engineer, sort of in the trade. But this has sort of catapulted me to, you know, just the knowledge behind everything, you know, the HMOs and developments, everything completely, which has helped massively. And also with the mentors, it's been absolutely fantastic because you can just ask them absolutely anything. Any little question on your mind, they will just answer it for you simply, which is amazing. Say again, sorry. Mm-hmm. So being in the room on the training courses and even just speaking to mentors and everything like that is incredible and so knowledgeable. Just, you know, Samuel himself, you can tell he's a very kind person and, you know, very warm-hearted and he just wants to help absolutely everyone in the room. So the environment is insane. It's incredible. So I'm working on at the moment, so I'm trying to find some rent-to-rents in Kent, so primarily sort of Tunbridge Wells area and Maidstone. And I'm also looking for BRRs in Maidstone for BRR to HMO. So yeah. So I would definitely say if you just come to a crash course, you know, see how you find it. There's so much knowledge at the crash courses anyway. I mean, before I joined, I think I did 3 or 4 of them just because, you know, you build up so much knowledge, and they're only £1 anyway. So you might as well come along to them. They're basically free. Yeah, just see how it goes, I guess.